Hello, I'm Andy, and for the next few minutes we're going to be talking about the Osmo Pocket Tracking ability. Over here we have a light box underneath a Velux window, and if you follow me, inside the light box we have a soft squidgy stress toy thing which we're going to track. It's not a particularly difficult thing to track on a plain background, so we're going to do some more complicated stuff as well, but we'll start by showing you how to get this working. So let's start by looking at the Osmo Pocket. You can see we've just got a control wheel on here, enabling us to get the subject in the frame quite easily. Without this, it's a lot more awkward. To get a subject tracked, it's really simple. All you do is double tap on the item that you wish to track on the screen. It's that simple, and there you go. You've got this little green square, and you can see the square changes size as we move around, but you can see it is tracking. It's that simple. In order to stop it, tap the square again. That's the job done. Want to track yourself? Simple. Flip the camera. Now I can do that using the button on the wheel or 3 presses of that button there in quick succession. It's really simple, and instantly you see it's got me. You can see on the screen there, that's it, nothing else to do. If I want to stop, again, I just tap it. If I want to start, tap again, face track on, it says. Easy, easy, easy. So, now we've got something rather more complicated. Quite a geometric pattern, black and white, with something black on it. And yes, it's found it. And you can see it's tracking rather nicely. Now, let's not underestimate what it's got here. Yeah, it's got a complicated pattern, and it's got something that is the same colour as the pattern that it is tracking. This is no mean feat, and I think this is really impressive. I think it's time to step it up a gear even more. We have a piece of sign vinyl in orange, flat colour. The only differences really in this are in the crimples on it and the way in which they pick up the light. We are going to put on top of that, not that piece, no, we're going to put that piece on top of it that has some more creases on it. And all we're really tracking here is light patterns of the same colour. So this is really quite a test for it. We've got just basically flat colour and light bouncing off it at different angles. Let's see what it does. Can we find something to track? There it is. It's found something to track, and it's tracking it now. Now I do know that if I push this too far, yeah, it's going to lose the subject, but there you go. It's still got it. You can still see a little square on there, and let's move that down a little, and yes, you can still see it's tracking it quite happily. That's quite astonishing. It really is quite astonishing. This is an incredibly clever little device. Well, that's it. Osmo Pocket, face track and active track, couple of clips, job done. Easy as. Hope this video has been useful to you. If it has, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button if you'd like to see more, and the little tinkly bell icon will tell you when I upload new videos, and there will be some more on the Osmo Pocket coming in due course. It's really rather decent in here. Might stay.